Hey guys, welcome to another video. So I have no idea like what I'm gonna do today, but it's already on the thumbnail. You already know what it is. Like I'm starting this video. I don't know what I'm gonna do. All I know is that I have this boring ass shirt. I have some. I think I'm gonna use the NARS single shadows today again and add on to the NARS singles Let's Play. And I think that's what's gonna happen. So let's move right into it. I'm gonna zoom you guys in. So as you can see, I have a face full of makeup, blush, highlighter, my brows are on flake, and I am gonna start by applying the NARS smudge proof eyeshadow base. So I really ain't got a clue what's gonna happen, but I've been watching a lot of like Reiko Akubo, Comme des Garçons, videos, like fashion videos. So hopefully something along the lines of that is gonna inspire me today, but I'm thinking of using a lot of color. Cause like on my Instagram, I got teal going on as a smoke. As I was saying before we got interrupted by the ambulance, helping people in trouble, I've been watching a lot of fashion runways and Reiko Okubo, Comme des Garçons, whatever. And my Instagram, I have the teal Smokey eye, which looks super cool. I think next to that, I have the celebratory, super warm smoky eye. And I want to do like a super colorful eye. So I'm going to be using, and I don't even know if it's going to come out good. It might come out like shit, so we'll see. I'm gonna be using like a baby blue, a blue, I might add some pinks and a bright yellow to it. So it's gonna be very, very, very colorful. I'm just gonna dip into this shade from the Kat Von D palette. It's just a neutral shade, so it's whatever is closest to your skin tone, that's what you wanna start with. All right, and I'm gonna start with the yellow right away. So the yellow is called Doro, and it's a, it's this color yellow. It's very bright, and I'm just gonna apply it on the brow bone. So I'm applying a little bit on the inner corner too, so there's a little transition. And I'm gonna grab a small brush and apply it on the inner corner too. Next, I think I wanted to go with a blue, but I'm wondering if it's gonna be too, like it's not gonna blend really well with the yellow. So I think I'm gonna do pink and then I'm gonna do blue on, yeah, let's do pink first and then we'll do a blue to transition and we'll see if it worked that way. So I'm gonna use Sultan, which is like this cold pink, and we're just gonna use it on the crease. If you got the James Charles palette, I'm pretty sure you can use colors that you find in that palette, because the colors that I'm using are very similar to the pop shades that he has in his palette. Like all the colors that he has in his palette are pop shades, so whatever you see here you can probably find a dupe for in the new palette. So the end result's gonna probably look like a James Charles palette application. Okay, and I'm going to use a smaller crease brush, and I'm going to use Domination, which is a warmer Is this Domination? Yeah. Yeah, Domination, which is like a little bit warmer, not as cool tone. Pink. Okay, now I think I'm gonna add the blue, but I'm gonna make it super, I wanna make it super graphic. Actually no, I'm gonna add the blue now, yeah. I'm gonna use a little bit of whiteout concealer and cut out a shape. Okay, now I'm gonna start layering the blue, so I'm gonna actually use a little bit of water. This is called Altmer or something like that. This felt super dry, but the color is there, so I'm happy. I forgot to wet it, and you can really see the difference when you wet it as opposed to when you don't. It looks really wispy. Okay, now I'm going to use a much smaller brush and draw the outside a little bit. Okay, and I'm winging out a little bit of the eyeshadow too. Okay, and I think on the bottom I'm gonna add a little bit more pink. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. As you can see, I added some eyeliner, mascara, I added this red lip from Pat McGrath, and it came out a lot better than I expected. In the photos that I took, I used a pair of sunglasses. It's like these sunglasses. So you can see when I have these next to me, it creates this primary color theory. So it makes like this really fun pop of color type of look, you know, so it's great for pictures if you want your pictures to stand out. And I love that the blue, the yellow, and the red, they're super primary looking, you know, they almost look like true to color, like they don't have that much hint of any other color interfering. So it actually worked out pretty well. As usual, you know, I'm gonna put the pictures here, I'm gonna put some video, and then you guys can see my vision behind the look. I am very happy, and I'm happy that I rebirthed the NARS single so you guys could see more of me playing with it. There are a couple of problems with some of the shadows, like the blue when you stack it on, I don't know if you can see on my lid, but it's doing something really, really bizarre. Like there's a patch of it that's like a circle that dried a little bit different than the other, you know, the rest of the shadow. So I'm gonna have to fix that somehow on Facetune. But other than that, they applied really, really well. Doro is probably my favorite color because it applied the smoothest. The pink ones applied pretty good. They're kind of wispy, but you can build them up. And then the blue's a little challenging. I applied it with a little bit of water. I wonder if the water fucked it up. But it applied very, very light, you know, without the water. Anyways, I am gonna end the video here. Please subscribe and ring the bell button if you haven't, so you're notified when I have more videos. If you have any questions or comments, you can put it in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like and share the video to support my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one.